welcome to my channel where we swap, talk, and unbox all things Disney, and sometimes we do tributes for friends. I want to talk a little bit about a very special person to all of us, and this video is going up today because Maryjo from Rolling to Orlando was supposed to be in this swap. I'm already getting misty, and I haven't even talked about what I want to say. So bear with me. There might be some tears because she is definitely missed. Maryjo was a just absolutely adoring and wonderful human being who wanted so badly to be in the swap. She said that there were two different ones for me that she wanted to be participating in. One of them was this one, the 12 Channels of Christmas, and one was my Christmas card swap that I do every year. So in honor of both of them, I wanted to say a few things about Maryjo, as well as do a little tribute to her. So Maryjo and I first met each other when I came across her channel because of some friends, and she just captured my heart. Her humor, her love of Disney, her love of the Muppets, her absolute infectious wit and wisdom and humor. And the partnership she had with Frank was so endearing and so wonderful that it was really an inspiration. We talked quite a few times via Instagram chat, and shared a few things together, and she became a friend, and I cherished that friendship. She also became a cupcake, which is a little group of us who all came together over a it was actually before my time. I was inducted a little bit after all of this, and I think she was around the same time I was, or a little bit later, part of our cupcake group. And it was all of us getting together because everyone was trying to get a certain bag from Loungefly. She was just so dear. She shared her struggles, shared her victories, and really just gave us so much joy. I had a box swap with her about a year or two ago that was, it was a Christmas themed, and it was Winnie the Pooh, and we actually got, she got me, and so the box came from her. So, and she was so generous, and I mean, there's really not enough words to say about her without getting any more emotional than I already am. I've actually tried to do this video a couple of times, and I've not been able to ever get through it. So yeah, the thing that I have been doing this year, whenever I upload any Christmas video or anything during this time period, I have been singing a Christmas carol. But today is going to be a little different. I am going to be singing something that's all going to remind us of her, as well as one of her favorite characters, and it's the Rainbow Connection, sung by Kermit, although I'll do my best to give it justice. So I will be doing this a cappella so we can keep this video up. I do have the words in front of me, so if you see me looking down, it was hard enough to get through it and trying to memorize the first verse. I'm definitely gonna use a cheat sheet if you guys don't mind. Okay. Why are there so many songs about rainbows, and what's on the... Okay. I'm gonna start again because I'm already starting to get choked up. Okay. Why are there so many songs about rainbows, what's on the other side. Rainbows are visions, they're only illusions, and rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told, and some chose to believe it, but I know they're wrong, and you see, someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. Who said that every wish would be heard and answered when wished on the morning star? Somebody thought of that, and someone believed it, and look what it's done so far. What's so amazing that keeps us stargazing? What so we think we might see? Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. Have you been fast asleep? And have you heard voices? I've heard them calling my name. Is this the sweet sound that calls? I'm sorry. I'm not gonna be able to finish because we all miss her so much. She was such a special light into this community, and we're just gonna continue to miss her, but also continue to remember her and such a wonderful positive light that she brought to all of us. And brought some of us back together, so I'm just thankful for her friendship. And Maryjo, we love you, we miss you, and thank you for bringing us so much joy.